This video is about getting a drone to obey air traffic control instructions. In the demo, the drone obeys instructions to taxi to a runway, take off, change course and altitude, and to land. Each instruction starts off with an aircraft's call sign, a name which uniquely identifies it, and the call sign for the drone is Charlie 531 X-ray Papa. I'm playing the role of air traffic control, and so whenever I start an instruction with that call sign, it means that instruction is meant for the drone and the drone should react and respond. At one point in the demo, I preface an instruction with the call sign of a different aircraft, and the drone correctly ignores that instruction. It also correctly ignores the next statement, which is that other aircraft's response to air traffic control. Charlie 531 Tango Victor, runway 25, taxi via Sierra, hold short of runway 25.
Runway 25, taxi via Sierra, hold short of runway 25, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.
Charlie 531 Tango Victor, fly heading 180, runway 25, cleared for takeoff.
Heading 180, runway 25, cleared for takeoff, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.
Charlie 531 Tango Victor, fly heading 135, climb and maintain 3000.
Heading 135, climb and maintain 3000, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.
Charlie 531 Tango Victor, fly heading 315, descend and maintain 1000.
Heading 315, descend and maintain 1000, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.
At this point, you'll hear two radio messages which aren't meant for the drone, and the drone correctly ignores them. November 03 X-ray Papa, flight heading 030. Heading 030, November 03 X-ray Papa. Charlie 531 Tango Victor, fly heading 360.
Heading 360, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.
Charlie 531 Tango Victor, runway 25 left, you're clear to land.
Runway 25 left, you're clear to land, Charlie 531 Tango Victor.